Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. I think you have learned the number names given in the last class. Today, let us study number names 26 to 35. 26 26 T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6 26 2 7 27 T W E N T Y 20 S E V E N 7 27 2 8 28 T W E N T Y 20 E I G H T 8 28 2 9 29 T W E N T Y 20 N I N E 9 29 3 0 30 T H I R T Y 30 3 1 31 T H I R T Y 30 O N E 1 31 3 2 32 T H I R T Y 30 T W O 2 32 3 3 33 T H I R T Y 30 T H R E E 3 33 3 4 34 T H I R T Y 30 F O U R 4 34 3 5 35 T H I R T Y 30 F I V E 5 35 So far we have learned 1 to 110. Now let us study 111 to 140. 111 111 112 112 113 113 114 114 115 115 116 116 117 117 118 118 119 119 120 120 121 121 122 122 123 123 124 124 125 125 126 126 127 127 128 128 129 129 130 130 131 131. 132, 132. 133, 133. 134, 134. 135, 135. 136, 136. 137, 137. 138, 138. 139, 139. 140, 140. Write the missing numbers. In between 112 and 114, one number is missing. What is it? Let us see. Answer 113. In between 114 and 116, one number is missing. Let us see which number is that. Answer 115. In between 124 and 127, two numbers are missing. Let us see which numbers are that. After 124, next number will be 125. After 125, next number will be 126. In between 116 and 118, one number is missing. What is it? Answer 117. In between 118 and 120, one number is missing. Answer 119. Which number comes after? Let us see which number will come after 113, 117, 123 and 124. First of all, let us see which number will come after 113. Answer 114. Next, which number will come after 117? Answer 118. 123 after 124. 124 after 125. Which number comes before? Let us see which number will come before 114, 126, 112 and 138. First of all, let us see which number will come before 114. Answer 113. Next, which number will come before 126? Answer 125. Now before 112, answer 111. Before 138, answer 137. Which number comes in between? In between 111 and 113, 124 and 126, 116 and 118, one number each is missing. Let us see what is it. First of all, in between 111 and 113, answer 112 comes. In between 124 and 126, 125 comes. In between 116 and 118, 117 comes. Put the sign greater than, less than, equal to. 114 and 113. Which number is greater? 114 is greater, and so sign will be like this. 125 and 128. Which is the small number? 125 is the small number, and so sign will be like this. Here both numbers are 135. So which sign will be used? Answer equal to sign. Okay, dear children, go through the topics we have learned today and study well. Let us see in next class. Okay, thank you.